The brightest spot as far as the BJP is concerned in 2024 has been their performance in the eastern state of Odisha. Very importantly, the BJP was not only able to double its tally as far as the Lok Sabha seats were concerned, but has also done stupendously well in the assembly elections, actually overthrowing Naveen Patnaik's BJD's government, which was in power for the last many decades and for the last many terms as well. Well, on one front, when nobody really gave BJP that kind of a chance and opportunity, workers on ground, especially the state leadership, persisted with their performance and made sure that, and they were able to convince the centre that they would be able to do well in the assembly elections as well. Now remember, there was a long talk about BJD joining ranks with the BJP and becoming part of the NDA, something that which was also acceptable to Naveen Patnaik's BJD. But it was the state leadership of the BJP which continuously told the central leadership that this is not going to be done. It should not be done because that's going to damage BJP's prospects in a big way. There were back and forth meeting on multiple occasions with the centre, especially with Home Minister Amit Shah, amongst the others. And finally, the BJP decided to call it off and said that they would go solo and not go with BJD in the state as well. The results are there for everybody to see because the state leadership had convinced the party that they'd be able to cross 100 mark at least in the assembly elections. But much to everybody's surprise, they've been able to overthrow the government there in the state and have come to power as well. Now, the argument now boils down to who's going to be the chair, who's going to chair the chief minister's position in the state of Odisha as well. Now, Dharmendra Pradhan, a local lad from there, has won his elections this time around from Sambalpur Lok Sabha. Will he be made that person who can actually take the state forward? Because that has been something which a lot of people close to Dharmendra Pradhan maintain, that he's been aspiring to become the chief minister of the state of Odisha. But as far as the BJP is concerned, on multiple occasions, whether it is recently in Rajasthan or Madhya Pradesh, you saw that people from nowhere had come out to become the contenders for the chief ministerial position. Even in Gujarat, a couple of years ago, when the BJP tried to replace Vijay Rupani with another candidate, and there were multiple names that were doing the rounds, up came the surprise of Bhupendra Patel as well. So the BJP is known to spring in a lot of surprises and give an opportunity to people who have been at the backbench but have been solidly collected to the ground. So that's something which one is very keenly awaiting. As far as the centre's decision is concerned, one has to understand that the first priority right now for the BJP-led government here in the centre will be to make sure that the oath taking of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his cabinet ministers takes place. After that, the ball will move to the entire focus on Odisha in terms of who to be handed over the leadership of the state that has been as well.